Imagine waking up to the sound of fountains echoing across a marble courtyard, stepping onto a balcony overlooking your own private city, and knowing you built it. This is not a dream. This is the life of Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the ruler of Dubai, one of the wealthiest and most visionary leaders on earth. He's not just a royal, he's the mastermind who turned a small desert emirate into a global hub of luxury, innovation, and ambition. From gold-covered supercars to private jets the size of palaces, from billion-dollar islands to record-breaking skyscrapers, his world defines modern royalty. But beyond the extravagance lies a deeper story, one of vision, power, and relentless determination. Today, we step inside his empire, to explore the ultra-rich lifestyle of Dubai's ruler, and the man behind the world's most ambitious city. Before we begin this journey through wealth and vision, don't forget to subscribe, because what you're about to see will redefine what you think is possible. The beginning of a visionary. Born in 1949, in the sands of Dubai, Sheikh Mohammed grew up when the city had no skyscrapers, no highways, and no glittering skyline. His father, Sheikh Rashid bin Saeed Al Maktoum, taught him a simple yet powerful lesson: leadership is about service, not privilege. After studying in England, at the Mons Officer Cadet School, Sheikh Mohammed returned with military discipline and a global vision. He knew that oil wouldn't last forever, but ideas would. In 2006, he officially became Prime Minister and Vice President of the UAE, but his work had already transformed Dubai long before that. He wanted to make Dubai the center of the modern world, a place where business, innovation, and luxury meet the impossible. And with each passing year, that dream turned into shimmering reality, transforming a desert into a global empire. In just a few decades, Sheikh Mohammed turned Dubai from sand dunes into a city of the future. He envisioned what no one dared to imagine: islands shaped like palms, towers that touched the sky, and shopping malls the size of small towns. The Burj Khalifa, standing 828 meters tall, became not just the tallest building, but a symbol of human ambition. The Palm Jumeirah, built on reclaimed land, redefined engineering and luxury living. He also established the Museum of the Future, Dubai Metro, and Burj Al Arab, each showcasing his philosophy that luxury should meet innovation. Every structure tells a story, not just of wealth, but of willpower. Dubai became more than a city, it became a statement to the world that the impossible is just the beginning. The royal palaces of gold and glass. Sheikh Mohammed's royal residences are among the most luxurious on earth. His main home, Zabil Palace, stands at the heart of Dubai, a sprawling architectural masterpiece surrounded by palm gardens, fountains, and sculptures. The palace interiors are a mix of traditional Arabic design and European elegance. Think crystal chandeliers, gold-trimmed columns, Persian carpets, and handcrafted marble mosaics that reflect centuries of art and culture. It's not just one palace. He owns several, in Hatta, Al Ain, Jumeirah, and even abroad, each designed for different moods and seasons. But despite the grandeur, each palace has moments of simplicity, an echo of his Bedouin roots, with majlis seating areas, traditional coffee rituals, and Arabian hospitality. It's luxury that never forgets its heritage. His golden fleet of supercars. When it comes to cars, Sheikh Mohammed's collection looks like something out of a movie. He owns over 100 exotic vehicles, from gold-plated Rolls-Royces to Ferrari LaFerraris, McLarens, Bugattis, and custom Mercedes G-Wagons. Many of these cars are one-of-a-kind builds, made exclusively for him, featuring gold interiors, diamond stitching, and his royal insignia engraved on the dashboard. Unlike many billionaires, he actually drives them himself, often seen cruising through Dubai's streets late at night. But it's not just about luxury, it's also about innovation. He supports electric vehicle development, investing in futuristic car technologies that align with his dream of making Dubai a sustainable, AI-powered city. Palaces in the sky. For Sheikh Mohammed, the sky is not the limit, it's home. His private jets are customized Boeing 747s and 787 Dreamliners, converted into airborne palaces. Each features handcrafted gold interiors, private offices, bedrooms, conference rooms, and even a luxury spa. The smallest detail, from the carpets to the seat stitching, is designed to royal precision. These jets aren't just for leisure, they're tools for diplomacy, carrying him between Dubai, London, Paris, and his European estates, where he meets world leaders, CEOs, and investors. Flying for him isn't travel, it's command. the royal yachts of power and prestige. When Sheikh Mohammed isn't flying, he's sailing. His superyacht Dubai is one of the largest in the world, measuring 531 feet and worth nearly $400 million. It's not just a yacht, it's a floating palace. It features multiple swimming pools, a helipad, a glass staircase, a cinema, a nightclub, and guest suites fit for heads of state. From the Arabian Gulf to the Mediterranean, this yacht is a moving symbol of Dubai's prestige, part luxury, part diplomacy. It's where he entertains royals, hosts global business talks, or simply escapes the world's noise to think. The passion that money can't buy. Beyond the riches, Sheikh Mohammed's greatest love is horses. He's a world-class equestrian and the founder of Godolphin Racing, one of the most successful horse racing organizations on the planet. His horses have won the Dubai World Cup, the Royal Ascot, and countless international titles. This passion is deeply personal, a connection to his Arabian heritage and to the desert traditions of his ancestors. His stables are more than just facilities, they're sanctuaries, with climate-controlled barns, hydrotherapy pools, and training tracks. In the equestrian world, Sheikh Mohammed is a living legend. The billion-dollar business empire. Sheikh Mohammed's fortune stretches beyond royalty. Through Dubai Holding and Emirates Group, he's built an empire spanning aviation, real estate, finance, hospitality, and technology. The Emirates airline, for instance, reflects his vision, a global brand representing luxury and service excellence. Under his guidance, Dubai also became a magnet for global investors, startups, and innovators. He's constantly pushing the boundaries of progress, leading projects in AI, renewable energy, and space exploration. And yet, his leadership remains rooted in one principle: to inspire others to dream bigger. The philanthropist king. Despite his luxury, Sheikh Mohammed believes in giving back. Through the Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum global initiatives, he has donated billions to education, healthcare, and humanitarian programs. He launched initiatives to provide 100 million meals for the poor, build schools in Africa, and empower young entrepreneurs across the Middle East. He also established the Arab Reading Challenge, encouraging millions of children to rediscover the joy of knowledge. He once said, "True wealth is not what you keep, but what you give." This philosophy makes him not just a billionaire, but a builder of hope. The future he's creating. Sheikh Mohammed isn't slowing down. Under his rule, Dubai is building the first AI-powered government, planning flying taxis, smart cities, and even colonizing Mars with the UAE's Mars mission. His dream is for Dubai to be the smartest, happiest, and most sustainable city in the world, a future where innovation and humanity move together. Every tower, every project, every headline carries his message. That vision is the true currency of greatness. From deserts to skyscrapers, from camels to supercars, from tradition to the future, Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum's journey is nothing short of legendary. He is not just the ruler of Dubai, he is the architect of a modern wonder. A leader who built a city that doesn't just shine, it inspires. A man who proved that dreams, when backed by willpower, can reshape the world. If you enjoyed exploring the ultra-rich lifestyle and legacy of Dubai's ruler, make sure to subscribe, like, and share, because this is just the beginning of our journey through the world's most powerful figures and their empires of gold.